Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, video introductions. So what are we going to do in this assignment? Well, the title, video introductions, and this image tells it all, doesn't it? You're going to introduce yourself via video. How are you going to do so? Let's skip down to the directions in part 1. In a video that is not more than 1 to 2 minutes, 60 to 120 seconds in length, answer the questions below. 1. Who am I? What's my major? And what are my plans for the future? Question 2. Do I like to read on my own? And if so, do I have a favorite writer or writers and particular genres that I like to read? Question 3. How important is the concept of pulchritude to my life? How does it affect me? You're probably saying, wait a minute, question 3, how does that fit into standard introductions in an online course? Well, question 3 relates to our term paper topic, which is about pulchritude in your life and how it affects you. Okay, we will find out more about that in a moment. Let's look at part 2 down here. What do we have to do? We're going to respond to 2 peers' postings, either in writing or via a 30-second video. If you respond in writing, your response to each peer should total a minimum of 125 words, half a page. What should you say or write in your response? Compare your peers' answers to your own. All right, now how are we going to do all of this? Well, underneath this blinking animation checkout, we have a video, how to upload a video in a Canvas discussion. This will show you how to complete this assignment. Below this, we have 2 links. We have the timeline and the assignment purpose. Let's go ahead and click on the timeline. And the timeline for this assignment, we're going to post part 1, the video, by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2, the evaluations of 2 peers' videos, by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Now, if you think you cannot meet this timeline, go ahead and message me here in inbox and let me know what's up, and I'll do my best to help you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, get back into the assignment, and I'm going to click on the other link, which is the assignment purpose. Okay, this assignment has a dual purpose. 1, to reassure you that you are not alone out there. In this English 102 class, you are part of a cyberspace community. I'm very, very active in discussions, and I know you will be too. And you are not alone out there. You're part of a community. Okay, number 2, the second purpose, to help you begin thinking about our term paper topic, the theme of pulchritude in literature and in your life. So we're beginning to think about our term paper right away in this assignment. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and I'm going to scroll back up to the assignment title, Discussion 1, Video Introductions, and I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here. Don't worry about emailing me too many times. Email me as many times as you need to if the assignments aren't clear, and I'll make them clear. Okay, so have fun meeting people in this class and learning that you're part of a cyberspace community, and of course, beginning our term paper topic, which is all about pulchritude. Okay, we'll learn more as the class progresses, and enjoy the video introductions.